What up, tubers? This is Ray from rwcweb.com, the old DOS geek. Okay, if you've been struggling when it comes to creating your affiliate websites, go to rwcweb.com because you're not alone. Okay, put your best email in that box and I shall give you oodles and oodles of great stuff. Okay, so if you remember the Webstarts ultimate drag and drop. Webstarts has been around since 2004. I've been with them for a long time. I've seen a lot of changes. I am an affiliate to them. These are actual websites that people have created with Webstarts. Okay. Now, I am an affiliate. I do get a commission if you sign up to a paid plan. However, they have a free plan. Okay, unlike any other platform out there, okay, a free website from webstarts.com. Okay, again, if you sign up through me, you're going to get oodles and oodles of tech support. You're going to not only from Webstarts themselves, okay, not only from watching my YouTube videos, but if you're signed up to Webstarts through my link, okay, ultimately I'm going to be working for you. Okay, now what's going to happen is when you sign up, no matter what level of, what they call techie you are, which I hate that word, okay, because anybody can learn this stuff. Okay, you got to remember the computer is just a glorified calculator. We have to tell it what to do. You have to keep that in mind. Don't ever get intimidated by this stuff, okay? Because anybody can do it. I've taught hundreds and hundreds of people in the real world when I had my computer service back in 1996, okay? So anybody can do it. When you sign up through me, I will custom create tutorials on what you need. Like if you came in here and you say, Ray, I want to make a page like this, but I want to do this, and I want to put this over here. Okay. Now, if you saw my last video, I went into Canva, and I took this information real quick from a private label rights download. Free information, free stuff. Okay. If you watch some of my videos on the private label rights, most people know what they are. Okay. I got a license to use this. It's like carrying a gun. Okay? Now, I took real quick in my last video and I showed you how to make this lead capture page very quickly in my last couple of videos. Okay? Now, we didn't really mimic anything like I teach people a lot of times on how to mimic a site. Okay? This is kind of similar. Got your same basics. Okay? Bold headline. Call to action. On these pages, you do not want them to do anything else. You don't want to give them any other option other than putting their information in these boxes and click that button there. Okay. So with that, I made this little quickie showing you how to do it on the website's free website here. Look up here. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, now Google does this thing, which is great now. Okay, see that? I made that free website with Webstarts. Okay, I wrote, that's the name of my subdomain. It's called freewebsite@webstarts.com. And that's the kind of creative sites that you can make. In other words, say like if, recipes, you got free recipes you're going to use as lead magnets. Okay. You can put it as my free recipes at, and then it'll say .webstarts.com. Okay? And it'll look like a legit thing. And it is a legit thing. It's a real site. Okay? Now, what I like to do is I like to teach people because some people, they have no idea what to do with the site. Okay? Now, my other video, I don't know if you saw it, I believe it was video number 4 or number 5. I showed you how to fix this header. Now, this guy here, he's been around for a long, you've probably seen him on the YouTube advertising and stuff like that. I think his name is Robbie or something. I might have him confused with the other guy. But he seems like he's got a real legit thing. These sites like this, they most likely have a lot of people creating these sites because this is a lot of work. Okay, this is a lot of work. All right, so look, it's even got a member site, which you can do with Webstarts. You can literally have your own product or have members sign up. Okay, teach them whatever you want to teach them. Sell your own products. Sell your products in the real world. If you got a brick and mortar store, you can make it like a Walmart, okay, and have people sign up for a membership login in Webstarts. Okay, you could do it all. It's all one-stop shopping. You could do your email marketing in there. It's got an email platform. It's got platforms for videos. You can embed these videos here, like here's my blog. I embedded my YouTube video in my blog. Okay.
For free domain name.
You know, it's a fantastic thing. Okay, it's a fantastic thing what you could do with Webstarts. Okay, here's my original, my buddy Charlie. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to teach people. Okay, so I showed you the fixed header in that other video, and this is why. Okay, so now they got a button here, and this is going to take me here. Okay, so let's see what's going on. Look at these pop-ups. These pop-ups are fantastic. Okay, now let's see where this takes us. It's going to take us right to here. And again, you do not want anybody to do anything else but put their email in that box right there when you're doing a lead capture thing. Okay, you got to have a nice bold headline, beautiful arrow pointing the way. Okay, sample of what they're going to get. You got all your privacy terms, contact information on the bottom here, and these guys even put a little bit of their address where they're located, which is a great thing because it looks like, and it is, I'm sure, a legitimate business. Okay, and again, to do this type of sales page, okay, now this is kind of like a twofold thing here. Get free training, my list of 237 powerful ideas. Click here to learn more. So I want to do that right now. Let's see where it takes us. Okay, now this here is more of the sales page for his main product, maybe. Oh no. Okay, so it's fantastic the way he's got this laid out. It's just absolutely fantastic the way these guys are doing this. Okay, he's got his video going on. Okay.
I'm Curly here, and I'm the founder and CEO of Dropship Lifestyle. So thanks for being here. If you're watching this video right now, you were most likely referred here by either a family member or a friend.
Okay, beautiful background. Excellent sound on that there. Let's see where this one takes us. Okay, we're going to hit the sound again.
Thousands of dollars.
Testimonials.
It's a perfect way to kind of jump into entrepreneurship with low overhead. Live from wherever you want. I just believed in myself that I was going to do it. We launched our store October 1st, and we hit $1 million in sales.
Okay, that's a great video testimonial. I love the thumbnail with the, when he did his video thing. Okay, they got a member login page here. This is fantastic. This is fantastic stuff. I mean, it's a lot of work to do this like this. And like I said, they probably, have a lot of people doing this. So I'm going to put my email in there, my email that I've had for 100 years. And let's see where this takes us. Oh, so it's going to have a bunch of questions probably. Let's see where to go. All right. Okay, so this is, all right, wait a minute. Training, my list, how to pick a name. Okay, so this is going to take me to a webinar. Okay, let's see.
And congratulations. If you're watching this video right now, it means you just successfully registered for my next webinar, where I'm going to show you how we build hyper-profitable stores without ever seeing or touching products.
Okay.
So really exciting training.
Now he's doing a drop shipping thing, which I do also. Okay. But this is a fantastic way to do your affiliate marketing. Okay. So all these sites, have you noticed? Now, if you know, I'm a big advocate of these large buttons here. I'm a big advocate of these large buttons here. Okay. Now, I don't want this video to get too long, but anything that you see on these types of videos, you can actually set your website up exactly the same way. Again, I'm not talking about copy and pasting what they have here. I'm talking about the look, the feel, the colors. These colors, the red is a call to urgency. Okay. These headings, these words like that. Okay. These are action words, what they call action words, where people take action words. There's trigger words. Okay. Now, you're going to learn this all from me. Okay. You can learn it through all my stuff I have to offer. Okay. My thing is making the websites. Okay. I really don't teach people how to make products or how to actually do the affiliate marketing, but this part of it is vital. This is your bloodline here, making these websites effective and knowing how to do these things with these checkpoints and different things like that. Okay, and if I could do it, you can do it. Anybody can do this. Okay, you got to keep that in mind. Don't get discouraged if you see these things and you say, well, I don't know how to make this. I don't know what this means. Okay, go to rwcweb.com. Get on my email list. Okay, hit me up on either my email list, my email itself. You can email me directly. I've got a Facebook thing going on now. Okay, if you go to my YouTube channel, just type in Old DOS Geek on the YouTube anywhere, and it'll come right to my channel. You go to my About page on my YouTube channel, and it's going to have my email address in there. Okay, I'm here to help. This is Ray, the Old DOS Geek, rwcweb.com. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe and hit that notification button. Hey, it's because of what YouTube tells me to tell you guys. You take care.